Wake up, everyone! Rise and shine!
Mom? Why is it still dark outside?
5 more minutes.
No sleeping in today. We have a big adventure waiting.
Wait, today is water park day?
Water Park Day! I'm awake!
Let's eat breakfast first, superhero.
Okay, but hurry!
Pancakes are ready. They smell amazing.
Dad, did you pack the floaties?
Towels, floaties, sunscreen.
Emma, did you pack your swimsuit?
Huh? Jack forgot again. Goggles packed. I packed my toy shark. I was too excited. I'm faster than lightning!
I can't believe we're finally going.
Swimsuit packed. Popus Kelpo.
Everyone ready?
Woohoo! Are we there yet? It feels like forever.
Look out the window. The sun is rising.
It's beautiful. Today is going to be special.
We're close. Whoa! It's huge!
Look at those slides. Look at the wet.
And that giant wave pool.
First, tickets.
Patience, little brother. I have 0 patience today.
All right, where do we start?
The lazy river. No way! The giant slides. Oh.
Let's all start together with the family raft ride.
Deal. I'm sitting next to Mom.
Everyone hold on.
I'm not scared.
Nobody asked.
Ready?
Ready!
Sandwiches and juice for everyone.
Where's my toy shark?
Oh no.
It's gone.
Maybe someone turned it in.
What if it's lost forever?
Let's check Lost and Found.
Excuse me, has anyone found a toy shark? Let me see. Blue shark with yellow fins?
Here it is.
You found him.
Great news.
Problem solved.
I'm never losing him again.
pool time!
Stay close.
The waves are starting!
Big one coming.
Jack fell over!
Poor Dice Thorns, eh? I'm okay. Okay.
Here comes another!
This is the best. Oh no.
What happened? I see them! Woo! Us! Woo! Where?
Thank goodness. Crisis avoided.
Ice cream time.
Chocolate. Vanilla for me.
Sit carefully.
This ice cream is huge. Don't drop it.
I won't.
My ice cream.
Oh no.
Worst moment ever.
We'll get another one.
Best day ever again.
Let's try the racing slides.
Ah!
I'm gonna win!
Come go in. Ready, set, gret. Boom!
I'm ahead. E1. Hey! Almost.
Let's relax in the lazy river. Good idea.
I love floating.
This is peaceful.
After all those slides, we need a break.
I could float here forever.
Don't fall asleep. Dark clouds?
That wasn't there before.
I think a storm is coming.
But we're not done yet.
Let's wait a minute.
Oh,
It's starting to rain.
no.
Attention guests. Attractions are temporarily closed.
This is terrible.
Our day is ruined.
Let's stay calm.
We have to go home? Maybe not.
Look, the rain is slowing.
The clouds are moving.
Does that mean?
Attractions will reopen in 10 minutes.
Yes. See? Good surprises. This is the happiest moment of my life. Last big ride?
Let's make it count.
The park is closing soon.
We've been here all day. Can we come back tomorrow?